In this video, I'll show you how to master Gamma AI in 2026. If you want to get the most out of Gamma AI and create professional presentations more efficiently, the key is to understand how to use its features effectively. First, start by learning how Gamma AI works. Open Gamma on your PC or laptop, explore the workspace, and become familiar with the main tools for creating, editing, customizing, sharing, and exporting presentations. When creating a new project, focus on writing clear prompts. Tell Gamma exactly what you want to create, your topic, your target audience, and the type of presentation you need. The more useful information you provide, the easier it is to get a result that matches your goals. Next, learn to improve the first version instead of starting over every time. Review the generated content and edit individual sections. Rewrite text, remove unnecessary information, add missing details, and reorganize your presentation when needed. You should also master the visual side of your presentation. Use relevant images, clean layouts, readable text, and consistent formatting. A professional presentation should look organized without being overloaded with unnecessary elements. Another important skill is customization. Don't rely completely on default content or designs. Adjust the presentation so it reflects your personal style, brand, project, or audience. If you create presentations frequently, templates can save you a lot of time. Choose a suitable template and customize it instead of building every presentation from scratch. You can also improve your workflow by using Gamma for different purposes, such as business presentations, academic projects, reports, proposals, and team projects. However, always review AI-generated content carefully. Gamma can help you create and organize information, but you should verify important facts, numbers, names, and other details before using the final presentation.